Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Honeydue application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Honeydue Couples Finance app and you will be taken into the home page. From here you can tap on the login button at the bottom right corner. You can then enter your email address associated with your account within the email box. Then tap on the login button and you will now be asked to check your inbox. You can open up the email application and you will now find your login code. You can either use this code or tap on the login button within your email as well. Once you do this, your login will be authenticated and you will now be logged into your account, and all of your previous progress will return back to you as well. And now you can invite your partner and add your bank accounts to start tracking your finances together. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Honeydue Couples Finance application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.